In this video, we're going to go from this.
Oh, how slow!
To this. Much better. In this video, I'll show you how to take that slow blinking blinker and refresh it by replacing the blinker fluid. Most cars will go about 40 to 80,000 miles, while others will go 100,000 miles. So be sure to check your owner's manual for the proper time to replace your blinker fluid. If it's been a real long time, you know, if you're 120,000 miles or whatever, you might want to actually do a blinker flush. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how to drain it and then replenish it. Okay, so look for the drain hose. This one is right here underneath the front of the car. And we'll put something underneath it to capture the fluid. Now all I got to do is go hit the purge valve and let that purge out. Okay, now we're back in the car. And there's a nice little known secret about the purge valve for the blinker. If you turn on your windshield washers, you know, you have to push it down and it squirts a little bit of windshield washer fluid out. If you actually press and hold it, then that will allow the blinker fluid to completely drain out through that purge valve. So we'll push it once and then hold it on the second time. Press once and then hold. There we go. And you can hear it. You can hear it purging out now. Okay, so next we're going to fill the blinker fluid. I'm running LED turn signals, so I am going to use the synthetic blinker fluid. If you have regular incandescent, you can just use a standard blinker fluid. But again, I'm going to use a synthetic. You can use that with your incandescents too, but there's really no need to. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. And it's sealed for my safety. Break the seal. And then we'll go use it. Alright, so just locate your blinker fluid reservoir. Open it up. And we'll pull that fluid in. There we go, good to go. And now it's full, we'll give it another test real quick. Okay, started the car up. There's the left one working just as it should. And there's the right one working as it should. So there you go, that's how you drain and refill your blinker fluid. If you like this video, select like down there and subscribe if you would. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to it, and who knows, maybe the next one you'll like. Thank you for watching. Check engine lights on.